Hello students. So now we take the next topic of linear equation in two variables. Class 10th mathematics. We have to proceed discuss in last videos problems on the differential types. So today we take the problems on base percentage problems. Percentage problems have very unique types of problems. It's a very similar method in all the questions. If I take, suppose that any value x increase 15%. So increasing value that is the 15% of x. So final value that is x is initial plus increased value. Taking LCM 100x plus 15x 115x upon 100. That is the final value. If I say any value y decrease 10%, 15% ले लेते हैं, decrease 15%. So decreasing value 15% of y, same, because it's only percent problem. If we want to find the value of the percent only of 15% of x, 15% of y. Here increase given, so increase value, decrease given, so decrease value. But if we find the final value for the increasing, that is plus, for decreasing, final value in increasing, that is the add up, in the decreasing, that is a subtraction. Take the LCM 100y minus 15y, that is 85 upon 100y. You can simplify them, that is a secondary method. So it means for final value increasing plus, decreasing minus. I am not only saying the increasing or decreasing. If I say profit or loss, so same, profit means plus, loss means minus. So that's a basic concept used to solve the percent based problem. So on these basic problems we have to solve the problems on these topics using in this question. First note down this, then we have to solve this question. Let's see how we solve them. So let's see. Here a man sold a chair and a table together for 760 rupees, thereby making a profit of 25% on chair and 10% on table. By selling them together for rupees this, he would have to make a profit of 10% on chair and 25% on table. Find the cost price of each. Here in all the topics have the only profit given, so we have to only add them. That means this is the selling price of a chair and a table. So let the cost price of a chair x rupees and table y rupees. Then we want to the selling price of both. You can directly find case. First, selling price of a chair means x is initial value as per as previous topic plus profit. What's profit? On chair 25%. So 25% of X. If lost, we can subtract them. So what you get? Actually 100% and 25%. 125% of X. That means 25 upon 25 upon 4 X. You can take the LCM and solve them. You get the 5 upon 4X. Selling price of a table. So Y plus, because table cost price is Y and the profit on table, that is 10%. So 10 upon 100 Y. That means 110 upon 100 Y. 11 upon 10 Y. Selling price of chair, selling price of table, and according to question, both price makes 760 rupees. So 5 upon 4X plus 11 upon 10 Y is equal to 760. You can take the LCM of both 4 and 10. That is the 25x plus 22y. So that is 25x plus 22y is equal to 0, 0, 12, 2, carry 1, 1, 5, 15200. It's the equation first. One. Okay. So it's the case first. For case second, by selling them together for 767.50, he would make 10% on chair, 25% on table. So we have not more space, so you can rough them. And for these same, you have to make equation second. Let's see. So selling price of a chair for case second. So that's the question number first. After making question, we have to rough the question because no sufficient space, and the question is must for solving. So selling price of a chair for case second, that is a profit on chair at 10%, that is 10%. Here for table, 25% on table, that is 25%. What is 110x upon 100? Here 125 upon 100 y. So according to question, 110x plus 125 y is equal to 767.50. Okay, you have to rough them the question. So take the LCM. 110x plus 125y, 100 sent to opposite side, 767 point, that means 100, and the 100 whole upon, by taking LCM, this 100 cancel out, and you can make the equation by dividing 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25, 5 2 10, 5 25, y, 5 1 are 5, 2, 5 are 25, 1, 5 3 are 15, 2 5 are 25, 0. Equation number second. First equation 25x plus 22y is equal to 15200, and second equation 22x plus 25y is equal to 15350. And you have to see the trick for solving these types of question where the interchanging of the coefficient of x and y. In this equation you have to see them. Equation of first coefficient is same to equation second coefficient y. So firstly directly add equation first and second. When you add equation first and second, 22x plus 25x 47x, 25y 22y 47y. This directly add 0 5 2 3 5 5 5 10 0, carry 1 2 3, it is 47 decimal, might be wrong. X plus y is equal to 30550 by 47. We have to multiply. So cancel out, you get 650. X plus y is equal to 650. Equation first. Then subtract equation first from second or second from first. So we can subtract, okay, second from first. So 1 minus 2, so 1 minus 2, 3x, 1 minus 2, 22 minus 25, minus 3x, 1 minus 2, small great minus greater, so minus 150, x minus y is equal to minus 50. You get the equation number 4th. Then you get a simple equation in terms of x and y. Here these equations are so complicated, 25x, 22y. So by solving it's like two hard methods, two hard work, but it is very easy work to solve them these types of equations. So you have to have them to make the space. X plus y is equal to 650, x minus y is equal to minus 50, y cancel, 2x is equal to 600, x equal to 300, and 300 is the cost of one chair. Then put in third, so 300 plus y is equal to 650, so y is equal to 350. Means the cost of one chair is 300 and the one table is 350. It's the cost price of one chair and one table. Okay, so pause the video, note down.